Had insomnia up until the day that I started taking this mushroom. This is Amanita Muscaria, the legendary red and white Mario mushroom that you've seen pretty much everywhere, but no one seems to understand or know how it works. Well, that's why I'm here, to explain to you how Amanita works. You see, I had chronic insomnia for 20 years. I had PTSD, a whole range of issues that were just basically unresolvable by medicine, and I started using Amanita to heal, and immediately I could sleep. When I started taking Amanita, it also helped me to heal from anxiety and PTSD, which I'd had for a long time. It allowed me to fully relax and just be myself, and to fully be present in my own mind, and have a clear state of mind. Having a clear state of mind was basically impossible to me before I discovered Amanita. And I found this to be so miraculous that I could sleep and I could concentrate that I decided to dedicate my entire life to trying to share this mushroom with the world. So I became a professional mushroom forager. I lived in this truck right over here. And I traveled around to all these different kinds of places, beautiful places all over the Pacific Northwest, waterfalls and deserts and mountains and all sorts of amazing things to try to find this mushroom, because you can't grow it at home, you can only find it in nature. I created this Instagram to help people learn about Amanita and to share with them the secrets of it. Amanita is a profound healer. It can do many things for us, and we just have to know how to use it correctly. A lot of people in my comments think that Amanita is deadly or that it's poisonous. This is just completely not true. Amanita muscaria is as dangerous and poisonous as chicken from the grocery store. If you eat it frozen straight out of the package, yeah, you could die if you're eating raw chicken. And it's the same with Amanita. If you go to the forest and you just pick a big old mushroom out of the ground and start chomping on it, yeah, you could get really sick and die from that. That's really unsafe. You're supposed to take it, dehydrate it, and then cook it properly in a specific way to make it so that it converts the poisonous compounds into something that is an active substance to give you the effect that Amanita has, which is positive for healing and relaxation. I've had many journeys and adventures in this whole crazy search for the mushroom and to try to heal people. And if you guys like my content, go ahead and follow me. And if you want to hear more about Amanita or you want to know more about how to use it, just send me a DM.